it's your girl Marguerite. Thank you for tuning in for another video. For those of you who are new here, then please go ahead and click subscribe so you can continue to grow and glow with your girl all 2019. And for those of you who are some continuing supporters, thank you for your continuous love and support. So today's video is going to be kind of like a haul on what I got at Five and Below. See, I already put the stuff up, show you how I decorated and where I placed the items that I purchased. Now, I went to Five Below strictly for room decor because they have some cute stuff. And for those of you who don't know what Five and Below is, it's a store that's everything is $5 and below. They have sporting goods, they have room decor, they have you know, like makeup brands that are like Wet n Wild and things like that. They have electronic accessories, they have games, kid toys, so they have a lot of things and they're stepping up their game, you guys, and they have online shopping. And also, this video is not sponsored. This is everything that I purchased on my own and that I thought would be nice. So if you want to see what I purchased at Five and Below and the room decor that I got, then definitely continue to watch. So the first thing that I want to show you guys is this little canvas set. So originally when I purchased it at Five and Below, these three art frames, whatever, came together. So it was a 3-piece wall canvas set, and so I just split it up here. This says you're capable of amazing things, and I like how I did this. I already had this Marilyn Monroe picture that said keep on smiling because the world is a beautiful place, so I already had that. And as you can see right here, I have my little work area, and so while I'm doing my studying and my life coaching and things like that, I wanted to just have a little area that was positivity. I'm going to get some more cute little things. The next thing that I purchased was this wood shelf, this wood hanging shelf, and it holds up to, I believe it was like 1 to 2 pounds on it. This book I also got at Five and Below, Choose Your Own Journey. It's really, really cool because it's an index and it has things that you could choose from. Like, let me just open it and you guys can see. So, for example, destination journey, overcomer's journey, writing a new chapter, self-improvement. And so you go to the page and it'll have something to work on. Like, now think about let's see here. Make a top 10 list of people you admire, famous or not, and how their work inspires you. Then turn to page 21. And so then when you turn to page 21, it'll have a completely different topic, a completely different question. So I thought that was really nice. This is a little pink porcelain Buddhist that I purchased, and I thought this was really, really cute to go on my desk. I got this cute candle here that says free spirit. Really like it. Kind of smells like vanilla. Oh, whoa. But yeah, I placed that right on my desk. Five and Below were these two candles. I hope I'm saying it right. Shakira, whatevs. But this one is for energy and productivity, and this one is for wisdom and right vision. These smell extremely good. The only downfall, I'm not going to lie you guys, is they don't stay lit. And then as you can see, it's just like I tried to get it lit again and it was not really working, so no go on these. But I mean, it's cute for decoration, smells good. I just really wish that I could light them, but that's okay. You guys, was this little suction Bluetooth sound speaker. So it's waterproof. It really was meant to go in the shower, and I did not know that, and I just wanted something in my room because I do a lot of listening to music. I have a Bluetooth speaker downstairs in my kitchen, and then I just got one to put in my living room, and now I have been using it in the shower too. The sound quality on it is got was this metallic ottoman, and it's used to like store things in, so I ended up by putting like a hammer and a few things in there. I'm probably gonna put some books and stuff like that, my chargers, because I always use that in my phone cases, and my daughter's helping me close this. So yeah, you guys, I got that as this LED love light, and I put this above my bed. I got these pink little wall stickers as well, these little circles. I thought that went really well together. This is battery operated, so I like it because when I don't want it on, I just switch it. And then I got this myself, love myself poster. I don't know what made me put this next to my bed, but when the lights are off and I have my little lights on and things like that. It really sets a nice vibe, so I'm really loving that. All right guys, so thank you so much for watching. That is everything that I purchased in my 5 and below, a little mini shopping room decor spree that I did. If you guys liked it, then be sure to thumbs up for more hauls. I am in the process of like kind of redecorating my room and my home, because believe it or not, I've lived in my current apartment for almost 2 years and I have yet to spice it up to how I want it. So that's really what I'm doing right now, and I hope you guys really enjoyed this video. I do have a ton of more videos to be uploading with you guys, so stay tuned. And remember, if you are not yet a subscriber, why miss out? Let's glow and grow all 2019, 2020, 2021, 22, 23. Let's just glow and grow together. So be sure to go ahead and click subscribe, and I will see you guys in my next video.